Hey, this is MinisterGold. This is a MixItUp tutorial on how to make a channel reward that returns a random sound whenever a user uses it. Some people use sound alerts. The issue with that is that you have a limit on how many sounds you're allowed to have. I believe the limit is 5. With this, you can have as many sounds as you want. So let's go to action groups. Okay, and I have one for when I fail, if I win, or if people just want to laugh.
I know what you're thinking. How the mighty have fallen.
So might I suggest the direct approach?
I will not be denied! I finally get to even the score.
Alright, so there you go. I'm not going to do all of them, obviously, because there's a lot. But yeah, every time I use that, it returns a random sound. So let's look at F, for example. Here I just have a bunch of sounds that I've added. Okay. And I guess more importantly is that, make sure that you organize your sounds. So for me, for example, a majority of my sounds are coming from a show called Gargoyles. So if I were you and you wanted to use like sounds from Gargoyles, for example, then I'd have a folder called Gargoyles, and then you could, if you have sounds like F, GG, and lull, have Gargoyles in an F folder, a GG folder, and a lull folder, for example. So you just make sure you keep things organized. But yeah, so literally all I'm doing is I'm going to the action dropdown, selecting sound, adding it, and then after I've added all of my sounds, make sure you're checking off run one randomly, and then save it. And then as far as making it a channel reward, let's go to channel points. And then you're going to make a new channel point reward. I've already created it, so I'm not going to make it again. But here's F, for example. When you're making the new command, you're simply going to add a command action. And then you're going to run. Action group counts as a command. So you're going to run that command. Select the action group, then for me I'll select F, save, and that's it. That's all that's required to make a channel point reward that returns a random sound. So we'll go to my OBS to test it. Why can't I make this bigger? Alright. Okay, so F.
What happened here? Third time's the charm.
Yep, so that's it. That's all you have to do to make a channel reward that returns random sounds. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, that is it. Alright, thanks. Bye.